Again, there's levels. If you do a 5, yes, it's done. The only way to get it out is to go to trial and try to come up with one of 3 or 4 acceptable reasons to undo it, which are very difficult to, it's like putting a camel through a, what's it called? Eye of a bird. But you could do a 4 or a 3 or a 2, which makes things a little bit more flexible, but then you get less benefits. As you can understand that give and take, you can kind of start perceptualizing what the difference between irrevocable and revocable. You give up more control over your trust, you get more benefits from the government. Okay? Any more questions? And lastly, Medi-Cal planning. I just thought I'd throw that in there because Minerva told me a lot about that. It's a big subject. A lot of people have been asking me about spend down, what that is, what the look back period means and how it operates, or how most of my clients these days talk to me about reimbursement and how they can get their property after their demise to get reimbursed by Medi-Cal so that kids, can get most of the equity. So those are all the different plannings you could do. And you could do that through estate planning. You could do Medi-Cal planning so Medi-Cal doesn't come back and bill your kids for your expenses.
So when you say look back, are you talking about we're trying to avoid people transferring assets and then
There's a 3 and a 5-year look back.
5 years?
3 and 5. There's 2 different look backs depending on what the situation is. And don't ask me exactly what they are because I don't remember them right off the top of my head. But mostly it's a 5-year look back. And if you try to if you try to spend down by transferring to family, they got to look back. They can go back 5 years, bring that back in, and say, hey, you really got to spend it down. You can't give $1 million to your son and say, hey, I'm broke, give me Medicaid. You have to actually spend that $1 million, let's say, on your medical care until it gets down to $2,000.
Everybody likes that until it happens to them.
Right.
That's my experience.
That is. That's correct. That's